The government asked the company to compensate farmers for their loss. The company refused to comply.
ఇవాళ దానివల్ల మేము లక్షల రూపాయలు కోట్ల రూపాయలు అంటే వరంగల్ జిల్లాలో పడిన కోట్ల రూపాయలు నష్టపోయినమాట వాస్తవం. అయితే ఈ మైకో విత్తనం పూర్తిగా ఫెయిల్ అయిందన్నమాట కూడా వాస్తవం. దయచేసి మేము ఇవాళ ఈ అగ్రికల్చర్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ కానీ ప్రభుత్వానికి కానీ విజ్ఞప్తి చేసుకుంటే మా సమస్య సాల్వ్ అయ్యే పరిస్థితి లేదు. ఇవాళ రాష్ట్రం మొత్తం ఎదురు చూస్తుంది. ప్రతి ఒక్క వర్గానికి ప్రతి ఒక్క కులానికి ప్రతి ఒక్క ఏది సమస్య సాల్వ్ అయ్యే మార్గం దొరికిందని అనుకునే రోజులల్లా
Cotton farmers are learning from experience that the bollworm develops immunity even against the Bt toxin. But that is just half of the story. Even if the Bt varieties were to effectively protect the crop against bollworm, what about the 165 additional pests that attack cotton? This is something that the biotech companies avoid addressing. And as a result, farmers are made to pay a heavy price. Since the commercial release of Bt cotton in 2002, minor pests are turning into major ones. Also, newer pests and diseases are attacking the crop. In Andhra Pradesh, the Bt cotton crop was attacked by the tobacco caterpillar and also the tobacco streak virus, which is spread by thrips. This resurgence of secondary pests is acknowledged by the state government of Andhra Pradesh.
But our only cause of concern is that the research should concentrate, even the private research, on how not to develop the resistance, how to overcome the resistance. Resistance comes, we'll have different kinds of problems. Plus one more thing is also happening, resurgence of the minor pest into major pest. Sucking pest numbers are increasing now. So we have to be in a constant watch. We are in a critical juncture.
This warning of resurgence of secondary pests is also echoing in Punjab, the state that is trumpeted as a success story for Bt cotton by the biotech industry. While Bt cotton might have reduced pesticide sprays for bollworm, mealy bugs have now emerged as a major pest severely affecting large tracts of cotton crop in Bhatinda, Muktasar, Faridkot and Firozpur.
पिंड रही कला जी साडा अज नरमा 2.5 एकड़ लाया सी बीटी राशि उस लाया सी M3 ਉਹਨੂੰ ਚਿੱਚੜਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਿਮਾਰੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਪੈ ਗਈ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਬਾਹ ਕੇ ਝੋਨਾ ਲਾਇਆ 2-3 ਸਪਰੇਆਂ ਵੀ ਕਰੀਆਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਨਿਆਮਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਜੀ ਇੱਕ ਅੱਧੇ ਦਿਨ ਮਾੜੀ ਮੋਟੀ ਸਪਰੇਅ ਕਰੇ ਮਾੜਾ ਮੋਟਾ ਮਰਦਾ ਜੀ ਉਹਨੇ ਫੇਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਉਹ ਯਾਨੀ ਕਿ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਡਰਦੇ ਮਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਬਾਹ ਕੇ ਝੋਨਾ ਲਾਇਆ ਹੋਰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਾਇਰੀ ਪੱਠੇ ਪੁੱਠੇ ਮਾਰੇ ਜੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੇਵਾ ਕਰੀ ਨਿਆਮਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੰਗਾ ਸੀ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਵਧੀਆ ਪੂਰਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਜੀ ਪਾਣੀ ਪੂਣੀ ਲਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਪਰ ਮਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਖੜਾ भी ठेका 16,000 किले ठेके ते लई है तां करके बाह के लाया जी ਉਹਦਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਪਨੀਰੀ ਖੜੀ ਸੀ ਆਪ ਤਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਲਾ ਲਿਆ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਪਨੀਰੀ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਰੂ ਜੀ ਠੇਕਾ ਭਰਿਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਜੀ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਜਾਊ ਉਹ
ਗੋਡੇ ਗੋਡੇ ਨਰਮਾ ਸੀ ਜੀ ਗੋਡੇ ਗੋਡੇ ਨਰਮਾ ਸੀ ਗੋਡੇ ਗੋਡੇ ਬਾਹ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਝੋਨਾ ਲਾਇਆ ਫਿਰ ਸਾਡਾ ਜੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ ਜਰੂਰ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਨਰਮੇ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਬੂਝਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੱਟਣ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਜਵਾਕ ਦੇ ਲੱਪੜ ਮਾਰਦੇ ਸੀ ਕੰਨ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਬੂਝਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਪੱਟਦਾ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਲੇਦਾ ਕਰਤਾ ਜਮਾ 2-2 ਟਿੰਡੇ ਲੱਗੇ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਆਏ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਆਏ ਹੋਇਆ ਹਾਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ
The limitations of Bt seeds that farmers were made to trust stand exposed. They are now further dismayed that the damage is not limited to the cotton crop alone. The yield of crops planted after harvesting Bt cotton is also being affected. This is another fact that is never admitted by the seed companies.
3 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਬੀਟੀ ਲਗਾਤਾਰ ਬੀਜਦਾ ਜੋ ਬੀਟੀ ਜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੀਜਦੇ ਆ ਇਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਰੇ ਯੂਰੀਆ DAP ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਪਾਉਣੀ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਅੱਗੇ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਮਾਤਰਾ 'ਚ ਪਾਉਣੀ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਪਾਣੀ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਭਾਲਦਾ ਜੀ। ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ ਪਾਣੀ ਲਾਉਣੇ ਪੈਂਦੇ ਦੇਸੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਉਦੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਜੀ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਣਕ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੀਜਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਕਣਕ ਦਾ ਝਾੜ ਵੀ ਦਿਨੋਂ ਦਿਨ ਘਟਦਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ 45 ਮਣ ਕਿੱਲੇ ਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਿਛਲੇ 2 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਤਾਂ 40 ਕੁ ਰਹਿ ਗਈ ਸੀ। ਐਤਕੀ 30 ਤੇ ਆ ਗਈ। ਐਤਕੀ ਹੁਣ ਅੱਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਗਾਹਾਂ ਨਵੇਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੂਗਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬੀਟੀ ਦਾ।
ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੀਟੀ ਕਾਟਨ ਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ, ਬੀਟੀ ਕਾਟਨ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਥੋੜਾ ਬਹੁਤਾ ਕੁਝ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਪਰ ਸਾਡੀ ਕਣਕ ਦੀ ਫਸਲ ਦੇ ਝਾੜ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਕਾਫੀ ਅਸਰ ਪਿਆ। ਉਹਦੇ ਝਾੜ ਘਟਣੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਗਏ। ਅਸੀਂ ਝਾੜ ਘਟਦੇ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਖਾਦ ਨੂੰ ਵਧਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਡੀਏਪੀ ਖਾਦ ਨੂੰ ਵਧਾਤਾ, ਯੂਰੀਆ ਨੂੰ ਕਾਫੀ ਵਧਾਤਾ, ਕਾਫੀ ਮਾਤਰਾ 'ਚ ਲੈ ਗਏ ਪਰ ਝਾੜ ਸਾਡੇ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਸਥਿਰ ਨਾ ਰਹੇ। ਝਾੜ ਉਹਦਾ ਡਮਾਡੋਲ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਤੇ ਜ਼ਮੀਨ ਦਾ ਪੀਐਚ ਲੈਵਲ ਉੱਪਰ ਜਾਣਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ। ਇਸੇ ਲਈ ਜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਕਾਫੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਸਮੱਸਿਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸੇ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ।
In addition to cultivating crops, rearing livestock has been an age-old practice in rural India. With stagnation in yield of crops and falling incomes, rural communities are increasingly dependent on livestock for survival. However, this relationship is facing a threat due to introduction of GM crops. In Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra, thousands of sheep and goats died or fell ill after grazing on BT cotton fields.
ఈ పత్తులప్ప ఎటువైన ఏ డాక్టర్ అయినా పత్తులే అన్నారు, పత్తుల పాల్టే అన్నారు. బోలుగడ్డి పత్తు ఉన్నది. ఆ పత్తుల మేపద్దు, పత్తుల మేపద్దు. మన డూప్లికేట్ పత్తులు అయితే ఏం కాదు కానీ బోలుగడ్డి పత్తులు ఉన్నాయి, మందుల పాటు ఉన్నది. పోనీయకుండా ఇప్పుడు కూడా పోనీయకుండి దాన్ని జాగ్రత్తగా పడుకోండి.
మీరు ఈ జీవాన్ని పెద్ద సాయిలతో పట్టుకెళ్ళానంటున్నారు కదా పోస్ట్ మార్టం కి. ఎట్లా ఎందుకు పోస్ట్ మార్టం పట్టుకెళ్లాల్సి వచ్చింది? ఏమైంది జీవాలకి?
దానికి రోగం వస్తే సార్ చెప్పిన డాక్టర్ అక్కడ తీసుకోపోమని చెప్పిండు. తీసుకపోయాను. ఆ మేడం దానిలో ఆపరేషన్ చేసింది. ఏం లేదు చెప్పింది, పత్తి నెత్తే చచ్చిపోతా అని చెప్పింది. వీటి పత్తి ఏం రోగం లేదు, అన్ని